In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Goals 5 minutes. First, open your browser and head to Asana's login page. On the sign-in screen, enter the email address associated with your Asana account. Click Continue, then type in your password and select Login. If you use single sign-on or two-factor authentication, follow those prompts as usual. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana homepage. From here, look to the sidebar and open the Goals section. This is where you'll create and track the outcomes that matter most to your team. Click Create Goal to start a new one. A panel will open with a few fields. Take a moment to set these up thoughtfully so your goal is clear and actionable. Begin with a concise, specific goal title. Aim for something outcome-focused, like increase qualified leads this quarter rather than a vague phrase. A clear title helps everyone understand the intent at a glance. Next, assign an owner. The owner is responsible for driving progress, coordinating updates, and ensuring the goal stays on track. Choose the person who has both the authority and the bandwidth to make decisions and remove roadblocks. Select a time period that matches your planning cadence. You can choose a quarter, a fiscal half, or a custom date range. Pick a window that gives enough time to achieve the outcome while keeping urgency high. Set the privacy options. Public goals are visible across your organization, which is great for alignment and transparency. Private goals limit visibility to just the stakeholders you specify, ideal for sensitive initiatives or early stage planning. Choose the setting that fits the nature of your work. Add collaborators by entering team members' names or email addresses. These people will follow along, contribute updates, and stay informed. Then decide whether collaborators can edit the goal or only comment. Grant edit access to those who will help maintain the details. Give comment-only access to stakeholders who just need to weigh in or stay in the loop. When everything looks good, click Save Goal. Your goal is now created and ready to track. From here, you can link supporting projects and tasks, add context in the description, and update progress over time so everyone sees how you're moving toward the outcome. A quick tip, establish a naming convention and a regular update cadence, such as weekly or bi-weekly, so your goals stay consistent and useful across teams. That's it. Log in, open goals, create your goal, set ownership, timing, privacy, collaborators, and save. You're ready to use Asana goals to align your team and focus on results.